Tonight I want to demonstrate something that's quite interesting. This video results from an email that I received from a doctor who has one of our machines. And the article says, scientists made water move only using light. Well, we've been able to do that for a few years now, and only recently has it gained my attention more, and I've put a little more emphasis. Primarily, we've been working on manufacturing this health machine here that allows you to bubble the water, inhale the gas, encapsulation, and some other interesting things. It doesn't have the decal and labeling on it, but you can see what it looks like. Okay, what we're seeing now is the hydrogen and oxygen being released from the tube down to the diffuser stone. When the stone is close to the outside container, the positive energy from our body will make the bubbles come out much faster, and you can actually hear this as a sound of hissing. And watch this. Okay, that's quite interesting. But tell me, what can you move with a beam of light? Name one thing. Well, I'll show you one thing. I have a flashlight that works different than the other flashlight. It's just a LED. Now this will have the same effect as my hand. Watch this. You have to get it at the right spot and holding the camera in. Well, I'm hoping the camera can pick that up. Now when this happens, it's making the bubbles come out much faster, and we can measure that on the flow meter. You can actually see a change in the output. Now, does that mean that the flashlight, the white light, is positive? We know the container is highly negatively charged. We know our body is positively charged, so we can have this reaction. Let me know your thoughts on is white light positively charged? I tried it with different colored lights, and clear white light seems to be the biggest change. Alright, well, you've seen something move with light. And if you could watch the bubbles change and look underneath here really closely, you would see when I hit it with the light, certain channels open up. It's quite interesting how the bubbles float around in here. Some of them actually take a long time to get to the top. These very small nano bubbles that float around, and you can definitely tell the difference between the hydrogen and the helium, the hydrogen and the oxygen bubbles. Now the other reaction that is very interesting is the light right here is on that side of the container. What this will do was make all the bubbles stay on this side of the container, but no bubbles will form on the opposite side. Now you can see all the bubbles that are on there. When we go to the back side here, we see little to no bubbles. We go back to the side that was opposite the light, and you can see all the bubbles. This effect, the longer it's run, the more significant it is. This was just turned on. Well, I hope you find this interesting as I did, and thank you for watching.